Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the good news is that it looks like over the next 7 days, the U.S. Midwest will be dry and warm, and it'll be good in Chicago to get temperatures into the 60s by the weekend. As far as the other markets are concerned, the dollar's a little bit lower, and crude's a little bit lower, and the grains are a little bit lower, led by the beans. Some people think that if we look at the technical market, especially in beans and corn, we're a little overbought. And stochastics suggest that we may want to pull back or at least consolidate a little bit. Overnight, we were unable to push March beans over the 1060 area, and we're trying to see if the U.S. or Brazil farmer is going to come in and finally sell some. Last week they didn't, and help prices rally. We also hear news that maybe the Chinese buyers will back off a little bit for a while, see if prices set back before they come in with any more buying. Over the corn last week, we ran into some farmers selling above the 370 area on the March. Pretty tight range overnight. The funds did come back in and buy corn last week, so we'll see if they want to protect those positions or if the U.S. farmer continues to sell old crop corn at these price levels. We also had a nice little rally last week. Some people think that that's in part due to inflation concerns, in part due to lower U.S. acres, in part due to the fact that a normal yield could actually bring the U.S. carryout down in 17 and 18. Next week, the USDA will come out with their annual Outlook Conference. It'll be interesting because they don't have a Secretary of Agriculture yet. And we'll see what they say for 17 and 18 S&Ds. There's a pretty wide range. In the beans, the range is as low as 290 and as high as 600. In corn, the low is around 2 billion, the high is around 2.6 billion. So a big range depending upon what you think acres are going to be, what you think yields are going to be, and what demand's going to be, especially on the export side. Wheat carryout's a lot tighter. Just a lot of people are right around 1 billion bushels, which is down a little bit from this year. That's mostly due to the lower acres. So we're just chopping around right now, going into the USDA Outlook Conference, going into the end of the month, and getting closer to the spring when we start trading weather. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.